Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa. If you're new here, I'm a professional part-time mermaid and a content creator. So today I received my new tail from Finfolk and I'm so thrilled to unbox it with you guys. This is how big it is, if you can tell. It's quite big. I'm so excited. They call it scale mail, super cute. This will be my third tail officially, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right in. So it's quite a large box. I'm gonna try and kind of make this work here. All right, now that we got that part over with, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. This is actually, before I spill the secret, this is actually the Ariel Melodies tail. So I've been waiting a very long time for this. We have the cute little sticker. And all of their tails that I've ever ordered come with this. This is just how to put it on. It has tail care, safety, and about Finfolk. The colors are just so pretty already. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so stunning. Look at the fluke. This is so pretty. The colors are so vibrant. This color like matches my hair. It's super perfect. I'm gonna flip it around here. I just love how the colors blend. Like, so stunning. I'm gonna flip it around and show you guys the fins. This is actually my first tail with fins attached. And these are unique fins because they actually go down the center, which is very different. If you don't know Finfolk, they actually usually have fins just like the dorsal fins, on the side, the hip fins. But this one has, very similar to Ariel, has the fins up here, which are so darling. Let me go ahead and flip this around. So this is the back of it. As you can see, it has the fins on the back as well as the front. Now I'm gonna flip it back over. Actually, forgive me. So for some reason I was thinking this was the front the whole time, but I'm totally wrong. This is the back. I kind of love the back. I thought they were doing like the fins on the front and not the back, but I must be wrong because the tag is right here, which signifies this is the back. So, forgive me, this is the back, but the fins are so stunning, you guys. Look how gorgeous. And they come all the way down to here, but I think it is so gorgeous. And I'm gonna come up close and show you some beautiful details. So this is actually a size extra small, and the previous tail that I ordered was a small, so I really feel like this one fits me the best. I will note that I did order this tail on May 1st, and I just got it today. So there is quite a bit of time in between there where you're gonna be waiting if you put an order in, so just keep that in mind if you're considering a Finfolk tail. But I'm really obsessed with this tail. I love the colors, it fits very comfortably, and I'm so obsessed with the little fins added on. I'm so excited to take this out and do a photo shoot in it and just swim, and swim. So excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more, and let me know what you guys think of the tail in the comments. Thanks guys!